to show you how to execute the microprocessor program in Windows 7 64-bit. As in 32-bit, it's a very easy, simple procedure. But while executing 64-bit, many of the students are facing the problems while editing the program. So today, I thought that I should teach something. So I am going to teach you. Just see what I am going to do. First, you need to download the Magemm folder. You can download that full Magemm set of folder from the link whatever I'm going to provide you in this site, in this video. Okay, so from there you can download the zip file of Magemm 64-bit, which contains of DOSBox as well as the Magemm folder. So here I already have downloaded that one, so I'm simply going to, here we have the zip folder, so just extract it. Okay, so here we got extracted. Now here, see, first one you are supposed to install this on DOSBox 0.74 Win32 installer. So first, okay, let's go install it. Here's the installation window. Next, install. So installation is complete. You can see here. Okay, close it. Okay, so now you can check it on desktop. Here we got the shortcuts of DOSBox here. Okay, so go to the folder again. Now come to the Magemm folder. Here all the file contains. So simply copy the Magemm by copying or Control C and go to your C drive, simply in C drive, and paste it. Okay, so here we got pasted Magemm. That's it from here. Now next thing that you have to do is start the DOSBox. So here we got started of DOSBox. Okay, now what you have to do is, we have some commands. We are not here in C drive, but we have pasted Magemm in C drive, so we need to mount at the drive. So write the command whatever I'm writing first, mount C space C column backslash Magemm. Okay, enter. Now type C column, enter. Okay, so now you can see that here we are in C drive. Now just do whatever you do in your regular microprocessor lab, means just go to edit, name the program, any program, like if you want a factorial of programs, so just type fact.asm. Okay, so .asm is the file code here, file name .asm, and press enter. Here we got the blue window, what you're getting in your lab. Now start typing the program. So just see, here I'm typing the program for the factorial number. Okay, so we have typed the program. Now go to file, save it. Okay, now you can go to file, exit. Okay, now we again came back in command window. Now here type whatever you are typing in lab, that is check for errors. Type magem pack.asm semicolon. So here you can see 0 warnings, 0 errors, 0 server errors. Now link it, link file name, that is fact.obj semicolon. Okay, now you have to debug it. So af debug file name .exe semicolon. Okay, so here we got the output window. Here we have to check the outputs. So you can see here all the values. Okay, so to check the outputs, as you know that we have to press F1. Okay, so keep pressing F1. We have to get the factorial of 8. So just see, here we got 8th position. So its value in hex, you can calculate factorial of 8, that is 4320, and you can calculate on your calc in hex, that is 4320 in hex is 80 and 90. So keep pressing F1. So the result should be 80 and 90. Keep pressing F1. Here we got 80 and 90. You can see here. Okay, I'm just zooming it. Okay, correct, 80 and 90, 8 factorials, correct. Okay, so that's it. Similar way you can execute all the programs. So want to come out of this window, type quit. Okay, want to exit this window, type exit.